So this week we're starting off with 3 niches that you need to avoid because they are trending, but they're not safe. The first one being Texas Strong. This is clearly related to human tragedy, and whilst these are all positive designs in support of the victims or the people that were affected by this, they'll probably only stay up for a few days and then get deleted. This is very common. It happens on Amazon all the time when there is something in the news where people were involved and died. It's clearly against the terms of service or against the content policy, so don't sell anything related to Texas Strong or in support of the current Texas floods. Next up, we've got a slightly more obvious trending niche to avoid. This one is Sire Boys, and you can probably tell if there's a lot of characters or faces like this in a design, then it might be related to a movie or a TV show. In this case, it's a Netflix show. You can quickly find this out by just typing it into Google and you will see the show come up. So definitely don't sell anything, and not even if it's just the phrase right here, the words. This is probably the logo of the show. It's not cool. This is the kind of thing, if you try and sell these, you are more likely going to get banned because you're just literally ripping off an official Netflix show. And then the last trend that I saw a lot of shirts on and I was kind of confused about is this one that says "Do It Lady," and we can see the same face repeating in most of these, which that's always a little bit of a warning sign. Again, I asked ChatGPT and it couldn't really give me a concise or clear answer, so I did a bit of looking around, and it seems like there is a YouTube channel with this very same logo right here, and it's some people doing skits, and one of the episodes I just watched, I can't remember which one it was, "Do It Lady," there we go, from 3 weeks ago. In that one is the scene that I'm guessing went viral somewhere, probably TikTok if I had to guess.
Do it, lady.
So it is an internet trend, and probably the phrase "do it lady" isn't trademarked, but I think this is kind of like a gray area, but I would just avoid it because most of these, they're using the actual like logo from this person, right? And that guy's face. So yeah, probably not a good idea. I would just personally avoid it. Actually, another niche that I almost forgot about that you need to avoid is the alligator Alcatraz designs. These were popping off like a week and a half ago, and they were selling for quite a few days, 4, 5, 6 days, but then they started to get removed, and there's still some indexed, some of the research tools. But if you open any of these up, you will see the dogs of Amazon, meaning that it was pulled down. So alligator Alcatraz is not safe anymore. Let's get into some trends that you can actually target. So now I'll go over what's currently trending and in highest demand at the moment, and then I'll show you the archive function as well to see what's coming up in 3 months. So the first trend is Christmas in July. This is in full swing right now. Yeah, we've got tons of listings right here with a 100k BSR. Very clear theme, Christmas themed designs, but with a summer spin. So we've got Santa right here chilling in the pool with a beer and a summery outfit, sunglasses with a Christmas hat, and we've got lots of flamingos in these as well. So Christmas in July, very, very popular niche, and it shows because there is tons of strong BSRs. There's also a lot of new badges, as you can see, within flying research right here, symbolizing that these listings started to sell less than 30 days ago, or were uploaded less than 30 days ago, I should say. This one, for example, just published 12 days ago, 470k BSR, Christmas in July squad on this one. So there's tons of different angles, different ways to approach this. We've got a cat chilling right here in floaty, 500k BSR. This one is older, but just to show you, it doesn't have to be Santa with one of these flamingo floaties. You can be more creative, have more variety, and still stand out and get sales, because there is a ton of new listings. Like this one, for example, this is really creative with all the dabbing characters right here, but in summer outfits. We've seen this kind of thing sell in Q4 before, at least I have, for Halloween and Christmas, but I've not seen it before for this Christmas in July trend. So very popular niche right now, and will be popular through the rest of July. Another big trend that I see right now, with a bunch of new shirts starting to sell as well, is the family cruise niche. This is a sub niche of cruises overall, and there is a lot of strong sellers right here. The top seller is actually only 34 days old right here. Family Cruise 2025, Making Memories Together, 140k BSR, which is phenomenal for such a new listing. And this is just one sub niche of cruises overall. For example, Alaskan cruises are super popular too, and they're not necessarily family cruises. I might just say Alaska cruise, Alaskan cruise. So yeah, as you can see, very colorful designs, holiday vacation themed, almost a little bit similar to the Christmas in July in the way that they're very summery and vibrant colors. But obviously this is about cruises. There is also further sub niching you can do into different locations, as family cruise to a specific location, cruising together in the Bahamas, for example. We've got that over here. We've got Jamaica, 2025, making memories together. On this one, there's actually an airplane, so I'm not sure why that's showing up in the family cruise niche, but maybe this kind of design would also work with a cruise ship instead. Next up, we've got a bit of a smaller trend, a little bit more under the radar, not as high in terms of demand, but we lower in competition. So this phrase, I'm not always a train wreck, just kidding, toot toot. Saw this doing pretty well with a variety of brand new designs. So this one, 30 days old, this one down here, 28 days old. So it's kind of a new trending phrase, and most of these are like single color retro illustration style, but as you can see, there is also other styles selling. This is watercolor, for example, which I wouldn't have expected to sell in this kind of niche, but it does have a BSR. But try and be creative, don't just copy the exact same designs that people are doing. But this definitely seems to be one of these kind of new funny phrases that's caught some attention, and currently the BSR is lower than the average BSR over the last 30 days, at least on the bestseller and some of these other listings, indicating that it is a trend that is going strong. That's kind of a helpful feature right here within Flying Research, that you can check the current BSR against the average BSR, which is shown right there, to kind of see, is it currently trending down, trending up in BSR, meaning it's dropping or getting worse in terms of sales. This will help you identify whether this is kind of a strong niche, whether it's getting better, or whether you should avoid it. So this is Trainwreck. I'm not always a train wreck, currently trending on Amazon. Moving on to the next trend, we've got Summerween, another very fun one, and obviously it is Halloween mixed with summer. We've got a lot of new badges in this one as well. I'd be careful with this skull design though. I've seen that quite a few times being repeated. I don't know what it's from exactly, but it might be from an official logo. But as you can see, we've got kind of a funny poster style right here. There is Hot Ghoul Summer. This is a pretty nice looking design. Then we've got a bunch of Halloween themed items right here with ice cream elements. A Happy Summerween in the groovy style right here, which also looks pretty nice. A lot of variety in this niche, very, very fun looking designs, very colorful. And there's a lot of strong sellers right here around the 100 to 200k BSR mark. Here's someone who mixed it with July the 4th as well, which obviously that's now passed, but just as an example, red, white, and boo. And then you've got the ghost on a floaty. So this is mixing two trends together, Summerween with July the 4th. Very, very smart. And this is probably going to drop off in BSR now because it's not relevant anymore. Independence Day's over, but it shows a good practice. If you spot two trends that are happening at the same time, it often makes sense to try and combine them. I also like this design style right here with these kind of 4 panels. I see that popping up more and more in listings that are new and selling, and it's something that I think hasn't been around too long, at least on Amazon. So that's definitely one to watch out for. We've got Camp Spooky right here, published only 8 days ago, and we've got a bunch of ghosts roasting marshmallows. That's pretty funny. Cool idea to combine those two elements, kind of marshmallows with ghosts, and Camp Spooky as well. It's interesting. This has only got 900k BSR, but still it managed to sell within 8 days of publishing. So hope this niche helps you get some sales. It's definitely a fun one, so enjoy creating your designs. Another niche that is trending down right now in terms of BSR and is already getting quite a ton of sales is First Day Of. This is a sub niche back to school, and I noticed a lot of new designs selling that are related to this. So we've got sub versions of this as well. So Hello Second Grade right here is top seller under this search term, published 51 days ago. We've got Kindergarten Level Begins. Now this looks a lot like Minecraft, so I'll probably stay away from it. Then we've got this very vibrant kind of girly style, published more recently, 200k BSR. We've got a unicorn, I'm ready for kindergarten, but is it ready for me? Pretty good phrase, and you can do that with obviously different characters for boys and girls. 200k BSR, 52 days ago. This one is a little younger, 37 days it was published. We've got this bow right here mixed in with a pencil, which is really smart. These bows are doing extremely well at the moment. It says First Day of 4th Grade. We've got a strawberry design, which looks pretty nice. Preschool is my jam. Watch out, kindergarten, here I come. 15 days ago, doing really well already. Brah, it's my first day of 4th grade, 50 days. So as you can see, there's tons of new listings doing pretty well. That kind of amongst the like First Day Of, Hello First Grade, Hello Kindergarten, whatever it is. And these are going to do better and better over the next few weeks leading into August. Now, looking ahead in time, let's try to predict what's going to sell in 3 months from now. I'm going to use the archive feature for that. I've selected the 12th of October 2024. So we'll see what was doing the best back then. You can see the historic rank at the top. So this shirt had a 8,000 BSR back then. Now it has a 16 million BSR. Wow, that really dropped a lot. 160 reviews, 16 million BSR. I'm not sure if I've ever seen that before. But yeah, obviously, Halloween is the first pattern you can see. I think this is the same in the last episode. You could already see Halloween shirts doing well during September. So obviously in October, there's going to be even more. We've got some football themed stuff right here. Be kind. I discussed that last episode as well. Here's another one of those designs. So definitely a big trend during October. Last year, we also had the Mu Deng kind of social media trend happening at this time. This had a 32k BSR. Right now it has 350k. This was getting trademarked back in the day at this point. So I don't know if it's safe anymore. Probably isn't. But anyway, just to show you now, this isn't really a trend anymore. Also, the average BSR of this shirt is 150k. And right now it's above that, meaning yeah, probably not a good one to enter at the moment, and it might not even be safe. Some politics designs, obviously closer to the election at this point, but mostly you can see Halloween stuff doing well. We've got breast cancer awareness right here, this fight design in pink, or the dinosaur on the right. In October, we were pink. All of these do well throughout October and also in September as well, to be honest. It is an extremely big trend. We've got 40k, 42k BSRs for this, and the historic price on these, oh my god, $20.99, and this is $33.99. This was priced out on this day at least, which is pretty crazy. At that low of a BSR, having such a high price, they're probably cashing in on this day. Also notice there's quite a few Van Gogh style Halloween designs. There was another one further up. Here we go. This isn't fully Van Gogh, I guess, but it kind of is reminiscent of that. We've also got this Oktober Fest design showing up, which actually in the middle of October, this is already going down because the Oktoberfest ends in the middle of October. So yeah, I don't think this is a good one for, like, if you want to get sales in the middle of October. It starts selling in September, so it's still, you can consider it right now. We've got Pretend I'm a Minion. This is obviously not safe because it's using minions, but this phrase or this style, Pretend I'm a, that always does well leading up to Halloween too. Same with these kind of outfits. This kind of looks like a belly of a tiger, and you can see these selling a lot for people that want to dress up as something on Halloween. You get these kind of costume style things. This is a Dalmatian. Here we've got another one of those. It says Zookeeper right here, but if you couldn't see that or you couldn't work out whatever this is aimed at or supposed to be, you can also click on the More Info button in Flying Research. We'll open up a new detail page for this design specifically, showing you more of the listing, the title, the bullet points, description. It shows you a historic BSR right here, which you can also draw out the timeline over multiple years, and you get all of the different keywords that are used, both normal single word keywords and long tail keywords right here for you to copy and use as part of your own listing if you want to make something similar that targets zookeepers. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Trending Niches. If you're struggling right now with your royalties because of all of the locked items and the discount deals that Amazon is running, I highly recommend you check out this video next, where I go over 6 different tips and ideas to help increase your royalties per sale and get you more profit.